How to set up Airbnb guest profile photo. First of all, you need to open your application on your device. So tap on Airbnb. Now at it down, there are a lot of navigation bar. So tap on profile section. Now tap on your profile. Now here you'll see get started option. Tap on get started. Now under your section there is add image. Tap on add. You can either take a photo instantly or also you can select from device. So select from device any photo you can select. Now after you tap on the image, now you can edit photo also, and you can zoom in and you can select the area you want to have as your profile. After that, tap on done. Now tap on use this photo and your profile photo is selected. Tap on submit photo. And that's it, you're done. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope you find this video very useful.